Fuck. K&Mtv in this bitch, you heard me? FRB in this bitch, you heard me? Gang. We in this bitch, you heard me? Boo gang in this bitch, all out of gang shit. What's up, K&M squad? So last night we just played a game of Bamboozled, and this morning my girl's getting ready to go to work, so I figured she's off guard right now. She's not prepared for anything coming. So right now she's gonna hop in the shower, blow dry her hair, get dressed, and get ready to go to work, or so she thinks. Today we're about to be pulling the baby powder blow dryer.
Baby powder, good for baby booties, fat man stinky booties, and also pranking your girlfriend with blow dryer pranks. The baby powder blow dryer. Get you one today. Gang.
So what I'm about to do is, when she gets out the shower and she goes into the room and she starts getting ready for work, I'm gonna sneak into the bathroom, load up that thing full of baby powder, and when she starts it, it's about to go down. We about to do your hair and your makeup at the same time today, baby. You heard me? K&Mtv. Gang. All right, K&M squad. She's in the shower right now. I'm gonna go act like I gotta use the bathroom and see if I can sneak out her hair dryer. Here we go. Wish me luck. I'm gonna leave you guys on camera. Let's go. I gotta use the bathroom real quick.
Well, I'm in the shower.
Okay.
What time is it?
9:30. I got it. Okay, let's do this quick because she's about to be getting out. Fuck. Okay. Oh shit, my heart's beating hella hard. I know she about to be mad as fuck. She about to be mad because she gotta go to fucking work, but I'm doing this for y'all, K&Mtv. I need 50 likes on this one, man. 50 likes, 100 likes. I need all the shares. I need all the comments. Let's go. She's literally about to lose her shit right now. So here we go. Here's the fan. Here's the plan. Let's get it going.
King Corn beats be killing shit.
I think that's enough. Yeah, that'll do. All right. Shit, this shit falling everywhere. If it breaks, I'll get you a new one. Ooh, some water. Hold on. I gotta put some her up on this shit. She ain't about to be in there forever.
King Corn beats be killing shit.
Alright. Good to go. Squeaky clean. Let's go. I'm gonna go place this back in the bathroom. I'm gonna see you guys in a minute. Gang. Fuck it, I'm bringing it. Fuck, I can't hold it and open the door. Fuck. Hold on. What time you go to work?
I gotta be there at 10.
Oh, okay. I was gonna say I was trying to go for a walk before you left, or at least do some stretches so we can put a video up because we just got the bamboozle one.
We can just do like a morning intro, letting them know. I mean, cause you mentioned I'm always at work, so I'm on my way in, and then we'll do a video tonight when I get off. I really don't have time. I got like 30 minutes. I can't be late.
All right. All right. Well, hurry up so we can get it done. All right. Ah, shit. Hey, I'm too motherfucking good, bruh. Listen, it's about to go down. I think too good, bruh. Hold on. All right, so it's about to go down. She's about to get out the shower right now. I gave her the perfect setup. She thinks she's about to hurry up so we can shoot an intro video. She thinks we're about to hurry up. She needs to hurry up to shoot an intro video, but there's no intro video. You are the video, baby. I love you, K&M Squad, gang, gang, gang. Baby, please forgive me. It's about to get real messy. K&M Squad, like, subscribe, comment, share this thing. Gang. Fuck. I just remembered, when she gets out of the shower, I have to sneak back in there, set my phone up in the shower to where she can't see it. I'm gonna set it on the top of the shower, like the way our shower goes up. We got tile, and then it goes into wall, but the walls have like a little crease, like a little where the tile and the wall meet. It's like a little half-inch right there. So maybe I could sit it at a corner, a high corner, and she won't be able to see it. So wish me luck, man. This is it. K&Mtv, gang, gang, gang. Oh, this is the what is this called? This is the baby powder blow dryer. Like, subscribe, comment. Baby powder blow dryer. Gang, gang, gang. Shit, got to be quiet. It's perfect. Fuck, it's slippery because it's wet. Okay. Oh shit.
Okay. I don't know how long it's gonna take her to do it, so y'all just gotta sit and wait. K&Mtv, gang, gang, gang. A few moments later.
at this point when she realized she fucked up.
Fucking serious right now?
You know I fucking have to go to work!
Oh shit. My bad, baby. Fuck. K&Mptv in this bitch, you heard me? F.R.B. in this bitch, you heard me? Gang. We in this bitch, you heard me? Boo gang in this bitch, all out of gang shit. You know I love you, baby.
No, I have to go to work!
I'm sorry, baby.
Don't put that up!
I had to do it for the squad. K&M squad, man. Drop a like, drop a comment. You look beautiful, baby. We lit. We had success, great success. All right, so she's pissed off. She got to get ready again. She got to get ready to get ready. And y'all like the comments, like, subscribe. I need 50 likes. I need 100 likes. K&M squad, king of the pranks. Gang.